Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is the unboxing of the CUAV X25 EVO Smart Controller. The X25 EVO is a newly launched high-performance, industrial-grade smart controller from CUAV. Compared with traditional smart controllers, the X25 EVO features breakthrough upgrades in its power supply architecture, sensors, damping system, temperature compensation, hardware reliability, and device compatibility. These enhancements significantly improve performance and stability in complex environments, meeting the needs of various unmanned system applications. The X25 EVO is extensively optimized and innovated for professional and large-scale industrial UAV applications and is fully compatible with ArduPilot PX4 firmware. It can be widely used in multirotors, helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, VTOLs, unmanned ground vehicles, unmanned surface vessels, and unmanned underwater vehicles. Features: revolutionary 10V/18V wide-range power supply architecture, new industrial-grade IMU sensor matrix, selected TDK industrial-grade sensors with high precision, strong vibration resistance, large measurement range, low noise, and minimal temperature drift. IIM series sensors paired with a high-precision constant temperature active external clock to reduce ODR errors. Dual temperature compensation system redefines sensor accuracy standards. Powerful H7 high-performance processor. 4th generation tilted symmetric damping matrix system plus external fixed ear damping. Specifications: operating voltage USB 4.75V 5.25V, PMU2 Lite 20V 70V, power 10V 18V, operating temperature 20 degrees Celsius plus 85 degrees Celsius, dimensions 76.5 45.45 32.2 millimeters, weight 109 g. Visual status feedback via multifunction RGB indicator. Multi-platform compatibility supports ArduPilot and PX4. Inside the box: CUAV X25 EVO Smart Controller. Ethernet cable, CAN cable, CAN extension board, bus out cable, radio cable, GPS to GPS cable, X25 ERT4 serial device cable, RSI cable, CAN cable, radio cable, X25 ADC 3.3 cable, X25 ADC 6.6 cable, flathead hex socket screws, socket head cap screws, shaped silicone mounting lug, Type-C cable. About PMU2 Lite. The PMU2 Lite is a power management module designed specifically for unmanned system devices. It integrates an STM32H5 processor, running self-developed M4C architecture software, and features the ITT3 temperature impedance tracking algorithm, providing real-time and precise voltage and current measurements. It supports 20V 70V wide-range voltage input and up to 220A current detection. The module is built with an aviation-grade aluminum alloy shell and filled with high-conductivity thermal gel, offering excellent heat dissipation and ensuring reliability under high load. Paired with AWG8 thick-gauge cables and QS8 connectors, it significantly reduces heat generation and improves system safety. Every PMU2 Lite undergoes strict factory calibration to ensure ±0.05V voltage accuracy and ±0.1A current accuracy, making it ready to use out of the box without any additional tuning. PMU2 Lite comes in two output versions: 15V version, 15V6A, 5V version, 5.2V7A. Both support the CAN bus protocol and can be integrated easily with various flight controllers. For connections: The 15V version works directly with the CUAV X25 EVO controller. Plug and play with default settings. The 5V version is suitable for Pixhawk V6X or X7 series controllers, also without additional configuration. PMU2 Lite is compact at 57.25 32.25 17.5 mm, with a cable length of 50 cm, weighing around 221 g, and operates reliably from 20 degrees CTO plus 80 degrees Celsius. Inside the box. PMU2 Lite 1. Flight Controller Power Cable 1. This concludes the unboxing introduction of the CUAV X25 EVO Smart Controller. If you want to learn more about unmanned system accessories and testing content, feel free to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.